friends. Today I'm making the flower paper plate. So first, cut the paper plate. Then color whichever color you want. You can do purple, any colors you want. Orange, any color. You can do red, orange, blue, any colors. Green, purple, any colors. Yellow, every colors. I did all the colors. I did red. I did 2 blues. If you can do 2 blue, that's okay because it's beautiful. Also, then cut 2 green leaves. After that, get 1 popsicle stick. Color it if you want. There's something. Then do a black dose. Then circle it. Dry it, then it's ready. Bye. I love you, friends. I didn't get you.